You're listening to the Chic Code Podcast with Wirda Alyssa and Sophia Arissa. All things chic, candid, and comedy.
Hey girlies, welcome back to another episode of the Chic Code Podcast, and this episode is proudly brought to you by Tradi Shot.
Mau badan seger luar dalam, kulit cantik dan bersinar? Ya, minum jamu Tradi Shot dong. Tinggal dikocok, diputer dan langsung diminum. Gampang kan?
Ikuti mereka juga ya di Instagram dan TikTok mereka at tradi.shot or di
www.tradishot.com. And to our Malaysian listeners, you can also shop Tradi Shot on www.tradishot.com.my ataupun you boleh pergi ke TikTok shop ataupun Shopee kat Malaysia.
So Shopee Malaysia, Shopee Singapore, TikTok shop dengan the website.
Yes.
So get your hands on Tradi Shot today. Kalau korang tak tahu apa ni Tradi Shot, y'all can see our previous episode dengan Malak. Kita ada explain all the different products and what does it do.
Yes.
But today kita ada Malak and also Sharif.
Yay.
Hai.
Ini episod 2.0 lah. Orang suka sangat time kau masuk tu dulu.
Okay.
Yes.
Tapi tu kita berbual pasal apa
Kita berbual pasal
macam
relationships.
relationship and his versus hers. That
Yeah,
kind,
something
right?
like that.
Correct.
Oh,
We
yes.
had that debate.
Yeah.
Oh, dia
If there's one superpower, something like that,
Wow,
kan?
very good your memory.
Yeah,
Tadi tak
betul.
tahu pula rambut aku colour pink. Gitu cerita.
Freaky Friday, apa tadi?
Freaky Friday.
Freaky Friday.
Tukar-tukar. Aku ingat. Ya, okay.
Yeah.
So untuk episod hari ni kita nak main game dengan Sharif dengan Malak lah.
Okay.
Yes. So kita akan main game Would You Rather.
Kita should have a game show jingle
Yes.
Macam
Boleh audio guys?
Kau tahu?
Ya.
dia dah buat kan tu.
Dah produce kan? Okay.
Yeah, okay. So game Would You Rather ni self-explanatory lah. Explanatable pula. Explanatory. Aku punya pregnancy brain.
Tak apa, we've all been there dan that.
Faham.
So kau kena pilih satu option and kau kena explain why.
Why?
Tak boleh pilih dua kan?
Tak boleh.
Tak boleh.
Boleh lah.
Kena
Tak
pilih
boleh.
satu
Dia kena
and
pilih.
kena jawab.
Kena jawab.
Dia apa theme? Tak ada theme lah.
Dia tak ada theme.
Okay.
Dia tak ada theme. So ini semua daripada kita punya listeners. Korang ada submit korang punya Would You Rather questions.
Wah.
Aku ada
Creative
screenshot.
tau, all
Serious lah?
Yes.
Orangnya brain sometimes Okay. Okay lah, okay.
Okay.
Kita ambil yang ring-ring dulu
Ring-ring dulu lah.
Ring-ring
Start
dulu.
ring-ring lah.
Kita
Level 1.
Level 1 Would you rather tak ada elektrik or tak ada air?
Oh. Senang lah tu.
Senang.
Ring-ring.
Ring-ring lah.
Actually senang lah.
Tak ada elektrik lah.
Oh.
Tak ada elektrik.
Betul. Aku rasa tak ada elektrik.
Aku pun sama tak ada elektrik. Malak. Kenapa?
Aku actually tak ada air.
Kenapa?
Pasal aku tak suka mandi.
Headline Malak.
Betul. Ni facts.
Aku suka lambat-lambatkan mandi lah.
Oh, yelah.
Oh, faham. Yelah, habit lah.
Is it a girls thing? Kenapa macam tu ya?
Actually kita pun. Aku tak macam straight away
Ya,
go to the
aku tak
bathroom.
macam straight away macam balik rumah pum pergi toilet mandi. Fresh. Tak
Aku
tak
gitu
like-
say.
Kau gitu
Aku kan balik rumah straight masuk
Yes.
toilet mandi baru keluar. Baru
Yes.
macam okay, what do I do? Kalau bangun pun sama, bangun straight mandi
Straight away.
straight away. Kalau aku tak mandi tu macam
Tak, aku will macam on my bed. Aku will macam go to kitchen kan macam
tak.
minum
I want
air.
like a long bath at the end of the night. Macam nak candles,
wind down.
everything. Yeah.
Takkan ada reason tu
Yeah. So korang kenapa tak nak ini like electric?
Tapi aku tak boleh kalau tak ada air. Nak mandi lah. Macam tetap aku akan mandi.
Yelah.
Ya. So elektrik tak apa. Pergi office lah pindah elektrik. Kan?
Kalau aku tak boleh tak ada air sebab aku minum banyak air. So the thought of tak ada air tu macam buat aku rasa macam tak ada air.
Minum lupa saya nak kena minum air juga.
I drink a lot of water. So aku macam tak ada air.
Betul lah air nak kena minum
Hydrate yourself lah orang cakap. Ya.
Kau balik.
Betul.
Tak apa, kau dah cakap kau dah tak ada air. Okay. Next one. Ternampak hantu time solat atau ternampak hantu time mandi?
Oi.
Oi.
Yo.
Kau tengah cuci muka kan?
Oi.
Sekali dia macam tengah stare kat kau.
Kat reflection
Kat reflection, tu tengah time
So
mandi tu.
korang gini kan,
Ah.
cuci muka gini kan, tapi dia tengah
Rabak. Tak boleh.
rabak.
Atau time solat.
Time solat lah.
Serius lah?
Serius.
Solat kacau.
Kacau.
Tak khusyuk tau.
It's okay lah.
Tapi
At least protected lah.
Protected lah. Kalau mati pun mati dalam solat lah.
Mati dalam iman.
Mati dalam iman. Kan?
Tapi kira dia punya main goal is untuk buat kau macam batalkan solat kan? Macam just
Tak apa, aku just keep on solat lah.
Dia akan
Sujud lama-lama.
mock kau pun. Sujud lama. Bila kau tu
tak bangun-bangun lah. Sujud lah. Sampai tidur.
step pengsan lah. Kau rasa diorang tahu tak kita step pengsan?
Mungkin dia tahu Mungkin dia tahu. Ada gini-gini lah.
kau gini. Kau buka mata sikit. Dia tengah step pingsan dia.
Step pengsan until dah subuh lah.
Tidur lah tu. Tidur.
Wida dah tunggu lah. Wida.
Aku tak rasa dia tunggu sunrise dia.
Dia dah kacau.
Ya ke?
Shift dah habis.
Ya, kita habis. Macam okay. I come back tomorrow.
Ya.
Okay, so korang what?
Solat.
Time solat
Kalau
Oh shit.
Kalau time mandi
kecoh.
Dangerous
Time mandi kecoh. Kau nak lari
Tower.
Kau faham tak?
Tower habis licin.
Licin.
Boleh jatuh, injured. Weh.
Yes, injured. So for me also,
Serius lah?
yes, aku tim dorang. Kau
Aku time mandi.
kenapa ya?
Pasal macam kau boleh escape macam. Dia kau just escape.
Licin, bofo gelfin. Kau faham tak?
Lefe-cepe.
Lefe-cepe.
So licin.
Kau takkan fikir kau akan grab towel tak? It's like
Kau lari je.
Dia macam yang gorila punya meme nak ambil toilet. Kau nak pergi mandi, kau lupa nak bawa toilet.
Yeah.
Dan masa kau cakap, alamak shit.
Mr. Audio, apa jawapan anda?
Time mandi atau time solat nampak hantu?
Susah juga
Oh,
Oh, dia pun nak kena fikir. Dia tengah enjoy the show.
Tak apa, ni korang je. Korang je.
Okay, kita je. Okay. So, time solat.
Yeah.
mandi.
Time mandi. Okay.
Time solat
Alright.
pun kita boleh jadi hantu je. Jadi pretend dah pakai telekom.
Kita
Dia pun
takut
takut.
ada.
Nah.
Korang.
Yalah. Kau faham
Betul.
Kau pakai kain lah boleh. Okay, next one. Would you rather have a theme song played every time you enter a room, or a dramatic thunder? Kau masuk je.
Oh, that's cool. Aku nak theme song.
Same.
Aku pun nak kan.
Bisa buat dedicated theme song.
Kan bila kau masuk
So
kan,
ada theme
We're
song.
not here. We're not here. Apa?
korang punya apa?
Apa?
Aku punya
Theme song. Aku yang betul.
itu dia semua. Hey. Easy je.
Aku yang betul. Kau masuk yang betul.
Every time kau masuk ada lagu tu kan.
Irritated saya.
Irritated lah.
Pergi
orang kahwin dia orang masuk orang main lagu aku.
Aku dah macam
Alamak.
Dia macam national anthem
Yes.
Tapi Syarif anthem lah.
Tak, aku rather dia Thunder. People take me seriously lah. Who's that? A serious man.
bodoh lah.
Serious man.
Serius man.
Okay, mana?
Aku rasa theme song kot.
What is it?
Song. Maybe the theme song kalau macam it's a jingle that you know that describes aku punya business, free publicity lah kan.
Oh,
Semua orang.
free marketing. Tapi is staff kau. Pasal kau enter room dah berapa puluh kali. Kau diorang dah dengar.
Betul juga.
Tak apa lah.
Tapi tak apa.
Free marketing.
Free marketing lah.
Company
Sampai
kau.
dalam kepala otak semua orang.
Try the shot.
Bila kau masuk
Kan?
Deng.
Oh, tu Jawanya gamelan
Gamelan.
Malam.
Dia masuk kudu kepang sekali.
Seram weh. Tu aku tu serius weh.
Serius.
Sofia?
Aku Aku mungkin Tak, aku rasa maybe thunder kot.
Oh, tak ada safe answer lah.
Kau nak jadi serius lah.
Tanda. Anak kau takut saya bunyi tanda.
Biar. Kau.
Aku bunyi lagu ding 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 ding. In sleep he sang to me. Kau nak tengok tak?
Oh, Phantom of the Opera.
Yes.
Itu
So macam
one.
like mysterious. Kau tu macam here comes trouble.
Boleh.
Here comes
Epic
trouble.
lah.
Yes, correct.
Drama.
So dramatic
Drama.
Oh, every time grand entrance lah,
Yup, every time ding. Kau faham tak?
Okay, soalan seterusnya. Pasal sis korang pun celebrities lah kan. Korang would rather kena kejar dengan paparazzi macam dekat US
Okay.
or Korea, macam forever orang macam ni, atau jadi selebriti yang senfendufu. Kena
Macam kau lalu kan.
Tak ada orang layan dah. Kira kan siapa
Actually-
saya diri kan.
macam, tapi kau artis.
Yup.
Faham?
Yeah.
That is a superpower to be able like that. Be able to.
Kadang-kadang
Korang dulu lah.
Actually it's quite stressful for those Hollywood artists.
Yeah.
Even Malaysian celebrities,
Yeah.
it was quite stress lah. Macam case selalu, you know, like the gossip
Yeah.
punya
Yeah,
website
yeah,
macam
yeah.
Sophie
Betul.
Arisa,
Yeah.
blah blah blah.
Yeah.
Aku would rather orang tak kisah pasal aku.
Ya, same.
Yeah.
Sama.
Same.
Same.
Sendu lah.
Sendu lah.
Yeah.
Kan?
More aku rasa more ni privacy.
Privacy lah.
Yes.
Betul?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tapi dalam hati kau macam aku tak rasa tak ada orang kenal aku.
Kenal aku.
Kan kau buka pop-up booth ke orang macam
Siapa?
tapi
ada
muka
ni?
kau terpampang
Poster
Sophie
besar.
Arisa. Apa
Apa
sih?
sih?
Donat Sophie Arisa.
Ya,
so
but aku
sendu,
biar
Sendu
ada
lah, biar
tak
sendu
apalah.
lah.
Biarkan
Tak apalah
Ambil career path lain lah. Jadi
Cari rezeki.
Cari rezeki
Sumber rezeki lain.
betul. Okay. Would you rather drink all kind of water your whole life? Macam-macam air kau dapat minum.
Okay.
Or kau would rather just makan nasi tapi tak ada lauk. It's just nasi je.
Allah.
Ui.
Mestilah water.
Tapi
Water
kalau
je.
minum tak boleh
water je.
makan.
Oh, so aku tak boleh makan.
Tak boleh makan.
Aku minum je.
Ah.
Aku
Minum.
Ya. So ada smoothie, ada macam kau tu kurma milkshake.
Betul.
Okay,
To fill
betul
you
juga.
up. Betul juga.
Habis apa? Nasi putih lah.
Nasi putih je. Tak boleh makan dengan lauk.
Basmati ke apa?
Kau dah main beras.
Tapi boleh jadi bubur macam
Tapi it's just rice lah. Tak ada lauk
Rice
lah.
Alah, kalau minum boleh nasi, lauk, kau blend lah. Minum. Yalah.
Kalau ada air tak ada nasi. Ada nasi tak ada air.
Yalah, but from the air, you can make from food also, right?
Yalah. Macam tadi we dah cakap macam feeling.
smoothie.
Smoothie ke.
Air lah.
tapi it's more liquidnya
Yalah.
texture lah. It's not like kau kena kunyah. Okay lah,
faham.
tak tercekik. Kalau nasi tak ada lauk tercekik.
Kering.
Kering, eh?
Kering.
Kontang, yes.
Ya.
Kau kena gini.
Tak boleh buat bola-bola
Tak boleh.
Squish.
Tak boleh. Okay.
Berderai.
Aku air lah.
Ayah
Aku
minum
dengan
air.
tong aku. Mana-mana aku pergi bawa air. Yeah. Okay. Would you rather only be able to walk backwards or only be able to crawl everywhere you go?
Ui.
Kau tak boleh jalan normally. Kau cuma boleh jalan backward. Kira kau kena plan kau punya
Crawl
Kau kena practice backwards.
backward, jalan backward.
Backwards lah.
Aku pun
Sakit
backward.
si lutut. Kalau kena crawl.
Hitam.
Betul.
Kena pakai
Bergerak
nigat.
nanti.
Kena pakai nigat.
Kau pakai nikat.
On all fours, you know, cannot. So I would rather
Backwards
backward
lah.
lah. Cool lah. You want to be charming, you have some
Swag
that
lah,
swag.
swag, eh?
Correct.
Yes.
Moonwalk ke.
Nak kena ada rear view mirror.
Nak ghost stand sis.
Stuck saya. Lama-lama. Aduh.
Betul. Kau.
Aku tak gila kau nak crawl everywhere. Aku akan walk backward.
Walk backward
Walk
Malam
backward
juga
lah. Malam juga.
Pretty unanimous. Yeah.
Nanti kau tengok aku ada rear mirror aku kat sini. Dah macam motor. Yelah, kena inovatif. Dah kena walk backward, inovatif sikit.
Betul.
Pakai I imagine. Dia macam have a sex tapi dia ada.
Tapi ke depan.
Yes, ada tu.
Ada mirror lah.
Have a sex. Pakai depan ke belakang?
Tak lah, dia macam vest.
Macam have a sex. Macam vest lah.
Vest
Macam
lah.
vest.
Okay.
Ah.
Oh, okay.
Ya.
Ada rearview mirror.
Dia ada review mirror.
Dia macam baby carrier kat depan.
Yes.
Then the fearless.
Ya.
Boleh.
Mana? Sulop punya booth
Yeah.
Okay.
Bang, park kat mana? Kau kan parallel parking Okay, sorry.
Parallel parking kalau kau tak kena depan macam mana? Kena turn. Turn. Leceh. Leceh.
Yes.
Parallel parking. Kasianlah. Okay. Ni soalan serius sikit.
Okay.
Would you rather explore the outer space or deep sea?
I rather outer space.
Outer space lah.
Yalah,
Aku pun outer space lah. Deep
Sea is
Tacut
Tacut.
seram.
Kau tu pernah dengar yang lagu yang TikTok yang
Oleh dah kan. Lagu tu kan. Habis kapal-kapal, habis wave besar.
seram sah.
Seram.
Deep down is scary.
Yeah, scary.
Sama-sama.
Actually, outer space also scary sah. Aku just takut yang terlalu dalam atau terlalu luar angkasa pun serang. Aku nak pijak pada bumi. Kan?
Tak apa, ikut aku lah.
Aku, fear aku kan, roket rosak.
Oh.
Habis kena
Rosak.
Okay.
Actually kalau roket rosak apa jadi
Kau kat atas je.
Belayang
je. Rasa lapar ke tak
Rasa kau rasa ringan.
Ringan.
Asal rasa lapar?
Pasal
Tak makan. Dapur mana?
Diorang makan apa dalam roket?
Yes, astronaut
Yeah.
punya tu.
Yeah, dalam
Tapi kalau dah
sashi tu.
rosak, stok semua dah habis.
Hancur.
Macam mana? Siapa nak hantar? Grab tak sampai ke atas.
Betul juga. Seram kalau roket rosak. Dia tak terjatuh balik ke?
Ish, kau ni kan grab tak ada
Tak ada gravity
gravity.
lah.
Tak ada gravity.
Mana boleh terjatuh benda tu?
dia akan melayang-layang je lah.
And you can't control what. It's
Cannot,
not like swimming. Swimming you
Yeah.
can like
Correct.
kan to the shore, but float you're just
Yeah.
Stop it. This will be NASA part 2.
benar sepat tu lah. Okay, but yeah, outer space for me.
Outer space.
Yes.
Yeah, outer space
for
lah for
everybody.
everyone.
Yes. All right. So, your partner got arrested. And to save him or her, would you rather swim with sharks or sit with snakes?
Oh. Swim with sharks.
Diorang kena ni, arrested ni. Kau kena buat something.
Aku sit with snakes lah.
Kau dah? Dengan snake.
Aku love snakes.
Okay.
Serious?
That's why.
Ya, aku tak
Dua-dua
takut.
aku tak boleh sah. Shit.
Swim with
This
sharks
one.
lah. Swim with sharks lah.
Dengap
Swim with
kau.
shark.
Swim with sharks lah.
Lagi kau boleh tak nampak sia dia kat mana tiba-tiba.
Tapi at least I mean
Boleh lah.
you swim, I swim. So like at least kau ada macam satu
You
pegangan
just-
macam
yeah.
kau can like really
Aku baca macam
skills.
just hit the nose.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow,
you hit
okay.
the nose of the shark, then dia patah balik.
Dia
Betul ke? Boleh percaya ke? Boleh percaya ke? Betul.
You hit the nose.
Yes, yeah.
Betul tak
hit the
betul?
nose. Betul.
Yes. Tapi kalau yang gangster punya
Lu sapa wasapa. Apa lu mau hit apa jenos?
dia offended kau tonyo dia. Dia makin ngap kau sia. Snake at least kau pada bumi yang nyata kau boleh nampak di mana. Kau faham tak? So just like
Tapi kalau dia belit kau,
Sleep tau.
Yeah.
Kau kena tidur tau.
Sleep kan?
sit.
Oh, sit.
Sit with snakes.
Oh.
Let's change it to sleep.
Aku dengar sleep.
Sleep with snakes.
I sleep pula dah.
I'll change it to sleep with snakes.
Sleep
Satu malam.
Ular apa?
Macam-macam ular. Yang poisonous, yang tak poisonous. Kau tak tahu.
Then dua-dua aku mati lah sembarang lah.
Biar kau masuk.
Tak, okay, aku still ular.
Ular?
Sharks aku takut sikit lah.
Oh, serious ah? Actually, dua-dua aku takut. Aku tak boleh pilih sini. Dua-dua aku takut.
Tapi kau kena pilih satu.
Snake ah.
Snake
Kau dengan aku sama-sama.
Korang still
Shark
shark ah?
Shark
Shark eh?
Syak, kalau dia makan aku pun at least aku boleh Duduk kat dalam perut dia. Itu tak whale Itu whale.
Malah kau dah duduk dalam perut shark dah kenapa?
Kalau
But I think shark's death would be faster
Faster
than,
than
snake's death.
Kau boleh rasa poison tu.
Yeah.
Oh,
Damn. Body.
Dah deep
Dah deep
Dah
lah.
terlalu deep.
Dah cara mati tau.
Okay, next
Wah,
question.
dah ni dah Net Geo Wild dah. Okay. Alright. Bercakap tapi keluar subtitle je. Orang tak dengar suara. Kau bercakap ni tapi dia keluar subtitle.
Okay.
Or suara kau kuat 3 times. Tak boleh control.
Irritating satu.
Itu tadi.
Kira kau loud hela tau. Suara kau kuat mampus. Or kau nak bercakap tapi dia akan keluar subtitle. Orang tak dengar suara.
Subtitle lah for me.
Aku pun subtitle lah.
Yeah, subtitle lah.
Subtitle. Biar kau baca.
Baca lah
Yeah.
kau.
Dah macam teleprompter.
Yes,
So,
correct.
kira macam
Tapi kau kena macam orang macam okay. Lambat.
Beli tradishop kat Shopee.
Ada macam tu.
Okay.
Okay, sama-sama. Aku
Very
sama.
nervous.
Okay. Would you rather kentut bunyi horn kereta api or sedawa macam singa mengaum?
Untuk macam apa api? Kereta api?
Macam bunyi horn kereta api.
Tu.
Panjang.
Panjang.
Tapi tak ada the tak ada. The you know that train, the steam train.
Yang tak ada.
ada complete set lah. Walau.
Complete set Boleh choose lah. Apa train?
Macam ni Billy that time dekat Melbourne kan.
And the ending dia.
Dia tak cukup gas.
Itu kira silent killer yang tak berbunyi.
Tiba-tiba bau
Baru bau dia naik last part tu.
Yeah. Panas punya.
Panasnya.
Atau burp singa mengaum.
Singa mengaum.
Tapi tak bau.
Oh,
dia tak-
busy
Aku macam nak singa mengaum. Cool. Wow.
Tapi satu bilik bau perut. Tak hasil.
Dia tak
Tak
cakap
cakap
pun
bau
bau
kan.
perut.
That's
Aku
why
add.
Aku game master. Aku add.
Yeah. Kalau macam tengah duduk kat fine dining ke, tiba-tiba dah kenyang.
Oh kentut tak selalu kentut apa? Boleh control. Actually burp pun boleh control.
Boleh control
lah.
juga.
Boleh control.
Aku pergi toilet lah. Toilet. Nanti orang
datang
takut
terus ni.
Perempuan tengah touch up Aku kat dalam cubicle. That's lion.
Okay.
Apa?
Belum choose
Aku ambil yang
imagine.
kentut kereta api tu lah.
Untuk kita apa?
Aku
Aku lion lah.
serius lah.
Lain.
Lion. Aku seorang ambil kentut kereta api. Why?
Irritating pasal dia panjang.
Ya, kuat. Yeah, and also
And tak consistent. So kau as pengentut kan, kau yang tukang kentut,
Pengentut.
kau tak tahu what's gonna come next tau.
Yup.
Kau yang kentut kan.
Oh, dia macam tak predictable.
Tak predictable.
Betul.
So dia sudah leceh sikit.
like how
lah.
long can your burp be? It's just like
Yeah, and it's a raw.
It's raw. That's it lah.
Oh, so cool lah. Memang I will stick with kentut kereta api.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Would you rather wear wet socks for one whole day or constantly have stones in your shoes for the day?
oh my
Oh, wet socks and stones in the shoe.
I rather have stone.
Wet stock.
Wet socks.
Dah ni dah combine.
Dah combine.
Wet socks lah.
Wet socks.
Aku stone lah.
Stone. Aku stone.
Kau?
Stone sakit saya kaki.
Sakit lah.
Kau boleh move around. Yeah.
Oh,
Pandai
pakai
lah
terus,
move around.
Berapa besar ni
Main
stone?
kaki.
Atau macam nyonya-nyonya kat bawah pijak stone.
Itu tak ada yang kecil-kecil yang irritating ni. Kau tahu
Pebble-pebble lah.
Pebble-pebble.
Aku ada stones lah.
Kan
Stone.
wet song macam
Squishy.
Sock lah.
Wet socks.
Yeah.
Bawa penyakit tau kat kaki.
Yeah, betul.
Serius lah?
ya
Masuk
fungus.
angin.
Fungus.
Fungus ya.
Masuk angin dah kena makan gas relief. Betul.
Okay, wet socks lah to me.
Wet socks Okay. Aku cari lagi. Kau tanya yang tu yang crocodile tu.
Okay, ada satu one of our listener. Dia send aku video ni. Lepas tu dia cakap, ni would you rather. But to me it's funny Okay, it's about buaya, dia nak tarik towel. So dia tanya, nyawa atau harga diri? Okay, ni nanti aku suruh Glenn dah overlay.
Yes, please do.
So
Nyawa atau harga diri?
kau tengah berkemban ni kat tepi sungai, just happen kau tengah basuh baju ke apa kan. Dia ngap kau punya kain. So kau rather kau macam kau nak lawan, but you know crocodile can ngap kau, ataupun kau just go komando
Go lah.
Komando
Ada daun ber?
Kau malu sekejap je. Kau lari hide. Emergency dah.
Yes, correct.
Kau tangan boleh cover. Mati tak boleh hidup balik tu.
Oh, ajar.
Cannot.
Betul lah.
Betul. So harga
Nyawa
diri
lah.
nyawa.
Nyawa lah. Kita pilih nyawa lah.
Correct,
Nak pilih
nyawa.
nyawa.
Harga diri secondary lah.
Yeah.
Orang akan lupa lah after a few months.
Orang akan lupa. Orang pun akan faham lah.
Faham lah. Orang amat memahami lah. Lagi-lagi orang-orang kampung ni, kat kampung kan.
Dah biasa.
Dia dah faham.
Kesian. Tapi itu AI ke betul?
Itu betul tak?
Betul.
Habis orang ambil gambar je.
Bukan nak tahu, tolong takut.
Lempar.
Wah,
Lempar.
Limpah something ke?
kesian.
Tarik. Why?
Okay guys, but this episode is brought to you by Tradishot. Kita ad break
Sampai
sekejap.
lupa.
Kita
Tiba.
ad break sekejap. Kita nak direct kita punya listeners untuk siapa yang belum try Tradishot, please do so. Korang boleh get at TikTok Shop, dekat Shopee Malaysia, Shopee Singapore, dengan website Singapore dan juga Malaysia.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, correct. Okay, moving on to the next Would You Rather question. Okay. Sekejap
Banyak lah.
Banyak.
Okay, let's do
Okay.
unhinged couple edition lah.
Okay.
Rather.
Okay.
Would you rather your partner forget your birthday every year, ataupun remember it but give you horrible gifts?
Who is a gifter here?
Aku.
Kau suka beli gift.
Yeah.
Okay, that's your love language.
Love
lah.
language.
Sort of, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
so you are not so much of a gifter lah.
No, mine is
Dia-
service lah.
Acts of service lah.
Tapi dia punya gift kadang-kadang macam aku terperanjat. Satu kali, boom, what? Nah, thank you.
Oh, wow.
Yes,
Tapi on point lah. Gift dia kira on point lah.
That's nice.
That's so nice. Yeah.
So,
So,
kau
ada ni.
where would you rather?
Would you
Partner
rather?
Actually, I would rather
You forget lah. I rather forget every year.
horrible macam mana? Macam
Horrible lah.
meripik lah.
Meripik lah.
Merepek.
Kau belikan apa?
Maybe
Macam benda-benda obit ni tu lah.
macam beg mahal tau, tapi obit.
Obit dia.
Clapper.
Beg mahal tapi obit ni. Kan?
Beg mahal obit.
Macam tak kena dengan taste kau. Macam alamak, bila kau dapat tu kau macam membazir duit.
Because mahal tapi
Because
obit.
yeah. Aku rather forget birthday.
Yeah.
Tapi forget birthday is like, then kau faham tak?
Tak apa, dia forget. Tapi aku remind. Aku macam, by the way, it's my birthday today. Oh, happy birthday. Okay.
So rather horrible lah. Horrible gifts.
Kau rather horrible
Yeah.
gifts.
At least there's some surprise factor every year.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
What's the horrible gift you gifting this year?
Dia macam waiting for it.
Mana macam like kan this year nak compare with the last year. Okay this one was quite
horrible lah.
Horrible. Next year more horrible lah.
Oh, so dia jadi macam birthday tradition. Smart juga.
Yeah, aku rather dia still kasih aku gift tapi stupid gifts.
Oh, is it?
Rather than he forget my birthday, then I have to like, what's my birthday present?
Oh,
That's quite sad. If you ask, you have to ask.
okay. Faham. Horrible gifts, so okay lah.
You?
Okay. No lah, that one I choose. Never mind, forget my birthday. It's okay.
Malak?
Forget lah. Forget my birthday.
Oh, kan?
Kau tak
Membazir lah.
Kau tak kisah.
Kan?
Kau forget lagi kau kena beli aku gift lagi
Betul.
Tiba
Okay.
Okay.
Would you rather your partner cry during every argument, ataupun laugh during every argument?
kelas ni aku tengah imagine.
Laugh lah.
Laugh
Tapi
Kau kira
serious situation tau.
Serious situation sih.
Laugh lah. Laugh.
Dia macam tak take kau seriously. kau tengah marah ni dengan Malak. Kau tengah marah. Kau tengah macam boiling point tau. Tapi dia macam you would feel so offended.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but you know, laughing is addictive, right? So benda tu
Betul, macam-
macam jadi macam like
Tapi tak soft.
Tapi tak soft.
Macam,
Nangis.
hey, why you do like that? No, why like that? It's so fun. Like, it will
nangis
not
for guys
like
leceh lah. Malas nak pujuk. Malas.
Aku faham.
Tapi kalau yang guy yang nangis pula,
Macam mana? Kalau the roles are reversed.
Guy nangis.
Guy nangis.
Boleh nangis.
Malak marah kau. Kau nangis.
I mean
mana tak tahu. So gone.
I mean tu susah sikit lah Nak pujuk guys senang. Nak pujuk girls susah
Ya
sikit.
ke senang? Ya ke senang nak pujuk guys?
Untuk kau aku tak tahulah. Aku ni quite easy lah.
Ya ke?
Yeah. Mr. Audio? Hard lah.
Mr.
Hard
Audio.
to
Hard
pujuk
lah.
lah.
No lah, can lah.
Can lah.
Can lah. Can lah. Easy lah. Easy. Quite easy lah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I'd rather ketawa.
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 Kau, this is funny sia. Aku tengah imagine ni.
Kau ketawa ke nangis?
Aku rather kan
Nangis lah.
sama.
Nangis lah.
Oh tak, ni kita ke?
Tu pasal
Partner
lah,
kita?
partner.
Partner kita.
Partner lah. Yelah.
Yelah, partner kita nangis atau ketawa bila
Okay.
kita
Kita marah.
Kita
Nangis
tengah
lah.
Aku rather lelaki aku nangis.
Nangis. Yeah.
nangis.
At least you take it seriously.
Aku dah cakap, yeah. Correct. At least you feel it.
Yeah.
Right? To the
Good.
core.
Yes.
Okay.
Yep. Okay. Okay. Would you rather your partner post you 10 times a day or never post you at all?
Post
10
as in post
times
on
a day.
IG
IG stories
IG
included.
stories
Never
ke
Never
Instagram.
post lah.
Never post
Never
lah.
Never
Post
post
10
lah.
times a day is overkill lah.
Overkill
sia.
lah.
Betul.
Betul.
Don't post lah. No need lah.
No need lah.
Yalah, you want to prove to who?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No need
True.
to prove to anybody. Okay.
Unanimous lah.
You got no, would you rather?
Ada. Korang ada idea? Would you rather? Ada.
Ya, kau.
Tembak
I
je.
want to hear
Tembak
like
je.
Yeah, Sharif. Come on.
Brain.
Yeah.
We go first. Yeah.
Okay, lu.
Okay, this one kita have to imagine that we are all not married.
Okay.
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 Would you rather date someone who checks your phone every night or someone who hides their phone like it's the nuclear codes?
Oh.
Macam very secretive.
Atau the other one?
Who checks your phone every night?
Kita punya phone pula. Satu lagi is dia yang sekretif.
Dua-dua tak alright.
I'm okay with checking my phone every night lah.
Actually aku
Ya, nak check loh.
nothing
Yeah.
Betul lah.
Nothing to hide what.
Yeah.
Kalau kau secret sangat.
Betul. So this one kau will get irritated when you
Yes.
check
Yes.
our phone,
Correct.
right? Tapi another one akan buat kau macam like,
Anxious lah.
sia,
betul
what
tak?
is he hiding ah?
Yeah.
Yes. Betul.
Okay. So, would you rather your partner flirt with everyone but say, that's just my personality,
Okay.
or be so jealous they hate every person you talk to?
Oh.
So macam overprotective.
Overprotective
Macam psycho sikit lah.
Susah saya.
and over friendly and flirty boyfriend or
But
girlfriend.
it's a
Personality.
Their
personality.
dorang
betul
cakap,
personality ke?
tak, they just like, but it's
It's
just
just
my
me lah.
personality.
Rasa
Dua-dua aku tak boleh.
I rasa jealous lah.
rasa jealous.
Jealous.
Tapi pun rimas dia.
Rimas juga.
Rimas juga,
Tau.
that's why.
Kau tak boleh berbual dengan siapa. Kau tak boleh bercampur pun. Sikit-sikit jealous. Sikit-sikit jealous.
Oh betul lah.
Aku
Kan?
will get the, it's just my personality. Aku buat balik.
Kita pun gitu.
Oh, okay, faham.
My personality.
Oh my god, same. Ya, kau?
Tapi aku, kalau for me lah as a guy, macam turn off sikit lah.
Apa dia?
For
Kalau
girls lah.
macam
It's
for girl,
that's just my personality.
Ya,
Yelah, kau ingat apa? Kau tak turn off.
Tak lah. So I will choose the
The
Tiba macam,
the jealous
Yeah,
girl.
yeah.
But that's more irritating, right?
Actually, yeah.
Yeah, macam, no, you tak boleh hang out dengan your kawan-kawan. Just me.
mesti banyak macam tu
Banyak macam tu.
Correct.
Actually banyak, yeah.
Yeah.
Ni,
Susah ni.
would you rather? Relax.
Relax guys, relax.
them.
Aku rasa aku ambil yang jealousnya.
Jealous.
Jealous.
Tak, aku rasa aku yang flirt lah.
Same. I would
Yeah,
think.
because I mean it's your personality, then I also can
Yeah.
No, then
match
people
up lah,
will,
match up.
will
Match the-
misinterpret.
Misinterpret.
It's okay, then I will
Lecit, habis nak explain.
No, then I
Lecit,
say it's okay. That's his personality. It's okay. I know.
Yeah.
You can stand up for your boyfriend.
Jealous, yeah.
Correct. Tapi I won't take him seriously lah.
Lah, have to lah. Macam kena.
Ya ke?
They will come to a
kalau-
point when it's serious.
Tak, mesti kalau kita match dia punya energy,
Oh, okay,
for
okay,
sure
faham.
dia akan jealous. Betul tak?
Oh, okay.
Kita buat more over to balas balik.
Balas
So dia
balik.
macam, why you so flirty? It's my personality. I tak suka. Okay, then you stop.
Yeah.
Oh, pandai
Kalau
korang.
jealous,
Strategi.
susah.
Dia dah genggam aku.
Diorang takkan berubah punya this kind of people.
Actually, correct. Yeah. Those control freaks.
Cannot change already. You stick with your jealous. yeah. Okay.
Okay, would you rather be a person who hates all your sabar ni kan
Apa nak cakap
macam mana cakap asal
Okay.
macam terbelit.
Would you
confused.
rather
Okay,
be with a man yang tak suka semua kawan-kawan kau,
Okay.
ataupun be with a man yang kawan-kawan kau semua tak suka dia?
Alamak.
Faham tak?
Oh.
we rephrase it to partner
To partner.
partner.
Yeah.
So would you rather be a partner who hates all your friends
Or be with a
or be with a partner
Yang
that your
all your
friends
friends
semua
hate.
tak suka?
Kalau dia hate all your friends, dia akan kongkong kau. Dia macam, I tak suka.
Kau ada kawan.
Sikit je.
Sedang tu.
2-3 je.
Kucing berlari lah.
Apa tu?
Lori apa tu?
Oi.
Ew, style.
Lorinya Honan tu. Yeah.
Okay.
Which one would you rather?
I would rather be with someone
Who hates my friends?
Who hates?
whom my friends hate.
Be with someone who your friends hate.
Yeah.
No, for me, I rather the boyfriend hates my friend. So you don't have to hang out with my friends. Because I can't lose my... Because it's going to be hell for me if because like my friends are going to be very upfront with the guy. Then hari-hari, I mean, I hang out with my friends.
Yeah.
Hari-hari aku dengar dia, I'll be like, I rather with you don't have to like my friends.
Yeah. Yeah.
No pressure, what? You do with me, right? As in like you are with me.
Betul? Betul? Aku sebenarnya confused.
Okay,
Aku tak bergerak hari ni.
rather aku tak nak choose the guy yang semua kawan-kawan aku tak suka.
Sama.
So you
Faham
want to
tak?
choose the guy which hates all your friends.
Yeah.
Oh lama.
Yeah.
Come on.
Dia
Kan,
mesti-
betul kan?
Yes,
Yeah.
correct. The guy hates all your friends,
Yeah.
or your friends
Yeah.
all hate him.
Yeah, you don't have to like my friend. I like my friend.
Yeah, I like my friend.
You don't have to hang out with my friend lah.
Yeah
It's
lah,
okay
it's
lah.
okay
You
lah.
don't
Right,
sibuk lah. Girls
Okay.
But
time.
if my friends hate you, it's going to be an earful for me.
correct.
Yeah. And kalau your friends hate the man that you are with, macam aku rasa dorang dah nampak the red
Red
flag.
flag.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Kan?
Yeah, correct. Yeah, because
Okay.
maybe your boyfriend tak suka the friends because he can see the fakeness. Ke apa ke. Kan?
Oh, kita dah.
Dah over analysing.
Faham tak? Kan? Macam like,
Okay.
ada reason lah.
Yeah.
Maybe dia nampak macam like,
Because kalau macam your friends hate that guy sebab your friend ada feelings for that guy, so that you won't end up with that guy.
So
Tapi dia
They actually
So
ada.
you hate your friend or you hate the guy?
tapi kalau satu gitu, faham. Tapi ni semua, okay, it's all the girl gang.
friends.
Oh, the
I
the
mean,
girl
like, cannot be all suka mah.
Okay.
Macam makin mendalam ni benda.
It's just a game, guys. It's just a game.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
Would you rather? Tapi ni macam tak apply on Sharif lah.
Okay.
Okay, jap. Kita
Just girls,
just girls,
okay.
Okay.
Would you rather your partner be broke but obsessed with you, or rich but emotionally unavailable?
Broke. But obsessed with me. Obsessed in a good way or a bad way? Because obsession also kalau macam
Yeah, that's
seram juga. Psycho is seram. Babe.
Kan?
No lah, obsessed is macam really.
Take care of you.
Yeah.
Itu okay.
Love you. Tapi bro tau, dia tak rajin langsung. Dia
Okay.
tak nak pun.
Oh tak rajin
tapi
lah.
tak rajin.
Dah bro
Okay,
tapi tak rajin.
yes.
Okay, itu susah.
Oh,
Like
tak
a
apa,
bum. Like
Tapi the second one is rich but emotionally unstable. But
unavailable.
Emotionally unstable lain.
Emotionally unavailable.
Emotionally unavailable means apa?
Busy kerja, tak ada masa nak layan kau punya.
Tapi
Rich
dia
lah,
banyak.
Kasih duit je lah. Itu lah.
That's fun, isn't it?
macam don't judge me but I love money gitu. I mean,
We
like,
love money.
Yeah, we all. I mean, now that you put it like that.
Dia broke boleh tapi jangan malas.
Tapi sekarang dia malas.
Yeah, that's why.
Sekarang dia malas.
Kau betul no?
Kalau malas tak boleh, aku tak boleh.
Kan dia macam be there for you.
Ada 24 jam.
Tapi
Kau pergi kerja lah, tolonglah.
Jalan.
tapi tak nak nanti I miss you.
Sana nanti I miss you. Ya Allah.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Rich.
Yes, correct.
But
Rich but not emotionally there.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's okay.
Okay.
Yup, it's okay. I can go shopping, make myself happy.
Are you judging us?
are you judging?
Or you know already my answer is
No.
going to be like that?
Yeah, pretty much.
Tak boleh lah. Malas is the deal
Yeah.
breaker for me lah.
Cannot.
Correct. Kalau
Yeah.
just
Tapi kalau
say
dia
about
rajin,
broke. Yeah,
okay,
it's
dia
a
rajin
different.
gila tau. Habis macam
Yeah.
kerja
of
12
course,
jam tapi tak dapat duit langsung.
Rezeki dia memang sempit.
Lagi rabak, lagi rabak.
Dia kirakan kerja
kesian.
OT ikhlas. Tak apa tak nak gaji.
Tak. Saya tolong awak bos.
Oh, tapi tak nak gaji.
Dia rajin.
Tapi dia rajin.
Bodoh namanya.
Kan? Ataupun broke because dia broke pasal dia boros. Macam
okay.
dapat gajian.
Spend.
Okay, you nak apa? Pom, satu hari dah habis.
Oh.
Tu pun.
Tak apa. To me, it's still tu macam still can fix.
Kalau malas.
Malas ya.
Malas tak boleh fix.
Penyakit.
Yes, malas is
Itu penyakit.
a bad habit.
Such a bad habit.
Bad
Yeah.
trait.
Yeah. So tak apalah.
Emotionally unavailable, but
Emotional.
ya loh.
Jangan malas lah.
Hopefully you'll change lah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Would you rather your partner be clingy 24/7 ataupun disappear for hours without replying?
What? Disappear for hours?
Macam no
MIA.
MIA lah. Tapi for hours je without replying.
Tapi clingy dia macam mana level tu? Clingy.
Macam melekat you je babe.
Melekat je.
Macam you pergi Pilates, tak apa, I tunggu kat luar studio.
I rather disappear.
Yeah. For hours je apa?
Tak. Aku pun rather disappear. Give me some space, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, because he needs to work man.
Yeah.
Pergi
Asal
lagi.
Yeah, correct. Pergi lah kau for a few
But
hours.
will you guys understand or not?
Understand
we
lah.
understand.
If the money we can see.
Understand lah.
Tak. Dia disappear, dia bukan kerja. Dia just disappear je.
Oh, disappear.
Tapi kadang-kadang aku takut tau kalau disappear lama sangat macam accident.
Yes.
Yes, tu
correct.
biggest fear aku.
So takut.
Asyik.
Yeah, especially bila tengah drive.
Send live lah. Okay, you can disappear but you send your life.
Oh, tapi aku tak main-main live ni semua.
You tak
Oh, live location
Live location.
Every time my husband drive, I will ask him to
To send your live
takut lah.
location, is it?
Yeah. It's just
Okay.
more of like safety lah
Safety
kan.
punya tu.
Yeah.
I should download lah.
No lah.
Tak
you
ada,
can send
kat
kat
WhatsApp
WhatsApp
ada.
lah.
Oh ya, live location dia. Ya Allah. Aku ingatkan that the 360.
Find my
people-
phone thing.
tu tak
Alah,
payah.
360.
App. Dah tak payah apa?
Dia macam tracker je. It's important lah. Pasal kadang-kadang orang tengah drive kena stroke ke apa tak balik. Kat side road bini dia boleh tengok.
Yeah.
It's important actually.
Ya. Aku kadang dengar macam accident stories saya macam their partner check and then they are stuck at the highway.
Yeah.
Macam just stuck there for very long. Tapi macam baru macam apa jadi
Yeah.
Or if you go hiking you jatuh, iPhone ada macam dia punya you can like macam emergency SOS punya.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so
Oh yes.
it's good lah.
Apple Watch.
Apple
also,
Watch.
right?
Yep.
Ini untuk safety bukan untuk kongkong.
Ya ke?
Ya. Kita risau.
Okay.
Ada last punya?
Syarif tu lah.
Yeah.
Mesti tunggu dia kasi
Korang mesti ada lah. Come on lah.
Come on lah.
Come on.
Ya.
Aku nak dengar juga.
Korang fikir.
Okay. Would you rather dapat helper yang macam always macam flirty with your husband?
Okay.
Ataupun let's imagine we all live in Jakarta lah, semua ada driver ataupun ada driver yang sado handsome yang suka bini kau.
Whoa.
Tapi
Apa?
how does it apply to you? The two.
It's for you. Gitu.
It's for you. It's for korang lah.
Alah. Tapi dua-dua kau pun conflicting siapa?
Aku pun confused.
Tak, macam
Okay, so macam for example untuk Syah,
Rather
A helper who is all over me,
Yeah.
or
a driver that is all over your wife.
my wife. Oh,
Okay. Yeah.
Kalau kau choose yang driver, kalau
handsome
kau
tau.
handsome lah.
Helper dia pun lawa macam BCL gitu.
Allah.
Wow, BCL.
Tapi boleh buat kerja lah. Boleh buat kerja lah.
Macam kerja boleh buat.
Flirty lah with Syarif kan.
Flirty tapi tak suka. Tapi driver ni suka aku.
Yes. So kena pilih satu. In that household, korang ada dua-dua ni. Driver dengan seatmate ni. Okay. Driver dengan helper.
To
Okay.
hear yours.
Kau kena pilih satu. Ni apply tu korang je. Penutup punya.
Guys, tapi ni game aja
Ni game je, jangan bergaduh Terima kasih.
Nanti kat kereta jangan tanya, you serious eh? I would rather a helper who's all over me.
Okay.
Kenapa? Kenapa tak boleh ada driver yang
Yang sado, yang handsome, habis all over her.
tapi tak all over, more like flirtation. But dorang still respect and macam, but you know just the
Dia suka aku
flirting.
ni. Macam mana?
Tak, tadi kau cakap suka.
Suka lah, tapi dia tak take advantage that kind lah. Tapi kau boleh nampak macam like his face light up bila Malak what's in the room.
Tak, dia kan rumah sana dia tengah
Yes.
cuci kereta dengan singlet.
Yang singlet dia.
Oh.
Okay,
Ada angkong tau.
okay, aku rather helper lah. Malas nak layan. Sado-sado ni semua. Faham tak? Okay. Kalau betul suka, kau pergi lah. Pergi mampus lah. Simple lah. Kan, kalau helper suka aku, flirtatious towards me, but I don't react, nanti dia kering sendiri lah.
Tapi Malak nanti bising lah macam tengok. Faham tak? Kau kena macam like kau stress pasal
Ya. Nanti dia pergi kat kau, Sir, mau kopi atau aku?
Tapi seram juga tau.
seram.
Kan, dia letak benda. Kau tengok cerita yang ni tak? Yang
Apa
cerita Indonesia ni. Dia,
Tazan
yes.
Aku
tak
takut
tengok.
lah nak tengok. Aku
sama
nanti
takut lah.
put ideas in my head lah. Ya. Kau tengok
bertiga
kau
tak?
tengok
Tengok berdua saya tengok macam what?
yeah. It's about that.
Ya.
Helper all over
Is
the
it
husband.
more macam best daripada yang the apa tu?
Ipa dalam
Yeah,
yes.
I feel like it's
Lagi best,
Yeah, there's layers to it.
Yeah,
Oh.
Yeah, dia ada sihir dengan
yeah, something that you cannot control.
and
Shite.
it can happen kind of thing. You get me?
Oh damn.
Yeah.
Tapi tu
Not
dalam
something
cerita
you can
tu
control.
made hot.
Hot.
Kan?
Yeah.
Right.
Pretty,
Yeah,
yeah.
She's
correct.
pretty, right?
She's pretty.
I don't, yeah.
Oh.
Okay, Malak you? Driver ke?
I think I rather driver.
Ya, dia akan pilih diri sendiri, babe.
Of course, of
Pasal kita
course.
macam aku dah self-discipline.
It's okay,
kita tak akan layan.
Yeah, and it's okay lah. Macam kalau the helper is leceh for me and for my husband, dia kena aku punya side naik. Habis dia kena pun layan. Like
Ya, faham.
Yeah.
Ya, aku faham.
macam leceh lah ambil ni macam jadi dia macam rather driver. And it's not at my house. The driver will just drive me.
And at the porch je, dia
Yeah.
tak akan masuk rumah.
Dia tak ada dalam rumah kau.
Dia drive, dia dorang berdua ke apa? Drive?
Kau letaklah live location.
Live location. That's where.
I mean, okay.
Masa dia ajak Malak, jom mengopi.
Kan? Live location is live location.
Lepas tu, kau letaklah kamera.
Dah. Buat macam yang tu, couple tu.
Oh.
Yes.
Kamera kat depan.
Tapi kat kamera kau nampak dia macam asyik-asyik. Cui, Malak tau.
Tahu dia ajak duet with Mimi.
Ha.
Kita nyanyi dalam kereta.
Dia ajak nyanyi dalam kereta.
Pai-pai. Yalah.
Dia nyanyi, aku yang patut. Yang patut memberimu segala.
Betul.
Okay.
Dah.
But ini adalah game sajalah. Ha?
Itu saja lah guys. Don't take it
Sekadar
so
hiburan
serious.
saja.
Dah hiburan sajalah.
Correct. You can also play with your friends and family lah.
The questions
good
that we
game.
post, it's a good game.
Jangan serius-serius lah guys dalam hidup ni.
Janganlah overthink guys.
Betul.
But thank you so much for joining our episode today. Kita had
Thank
so
you,
much
guys.
fun.
Yes.
So much fun. Okay.
Yup.
Yup.
Jadi would you rather ini satu je. Would
Apa?
you rather minum detox, ada detox punya Tradishot ataupun gas relief? Satu je.
Satu je. Aku detox, the original jamu.
The original
Yes.
one.
Aku pun detox.
Okay.
Yeah.
Aku pilih gas relief.
Yeah.
Pasal aku selalu ada masalah tu.
Yeah.
Okay.
So kau cannot live without the gas relief lah.
Correct.
Syarif mana tu? Detox atau gas relief?
Detox lah.
Detox.
Ya.
Dia detox macam hariannya ni
Harian,
supplement.
ya.
So kalau siapa belum cuba
Yes,
boleh.
correct.
Try the green box one. Kalau korang dah biasa dengan jamu, boleh upgrade to the orange one.
Immunity boost.
The
Yes, correct.
immunity boost. Yes, and boleh dapatkan di TikTok Shop, Shopee, Malaysia,
Yes,
Singapore.
Correct.
Dengan website www.tradishop.com or .com.my.
Betul.
Yeah. Terima kasih guys for joining us.
Thank you
so much
for having me
episode.
again.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I will see you all in the next episode.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.